So thank you. A couple months ago, to be honest, in March this year, I met Eric first time with coordination of Alik. And Eric told me, Franco, I want to open a CodeBlue subsidiary in Canada. So I said to myself, okay, we should see if this is our agenda. But to be honest, Eric make it happen, not me, to be honest. He showed me, he goes to make a homework and show me all the statistics. Why should we need an open and new subsidiary in Canada? So I'm glad to be and to say we are hoping a new subsidiary in Canada. So thank you, Eric.
So I'm an entrepreneur. Live in Canada in public safety. I sold my business 2 years ago. I was saying, what do I want to do now? I'm not a good golf player, so I have to find something else. I'm still an engineer by trade. So I like to be curious to understand things. So working in a public safety, I realized that I wanted to dig more in cybersecurity. And because I had the feeling that obviously that will be becoming a growing segment, a growing pain that collectively we have to handle together. And this is when I'm starting to dig, obviously, I start to realize that the expertise is here. There's people here in Israel that in many cases, you have been attacked before the rest of the world. So we need to learn from you, from your expertise. And that's how I started to dig. And fortunately, in that process coming from Montreal, I had a great support for Délégation du Québec in Tel Aviv. And Alik, thank you very much. So I started a journey in May to visit your country, meeting different entrepreneurs, innovators, technology. And at the end of the day, I realized that amongst all the amazing technology I found one very interesting company, obviously CodeBlue, amazing expertise, an experience of managing crisis over years that is difficult to replicate in any technology. And when we had a discussion about the potential of CodeBlue in Canada, it was obvious for me after a while that especially with Blue Castle, where the expertise now is embedded into AI within the platform, that we can leverage this know-how, this expertise, to support Canadian company being more resilient. So I'm very excited to be back in business. Thank you. And thank you very much, Alik.
Shalom lekulam. So I'm Alik. I'm the head of the Quebec government office here in Tel Aviv. I will be very brief. I'm really excited today to see both very nice and beautiful flags, Quebec flag and Israeli flag. Even though it's going to be a company who's going to cover all the Canada, but company CodeBlue Canada will be based in Montreal in Quebec, which is amazing. So when I came here to establish the Quebec government office in Tel Aviv early 2024, the question was how I'm going to develop the relations in the middle of war, the worst war that Israel knew during his history, right? So I arrived here, and today we see the results. So it was possible to develop the relations. It's amazing the resilience of Israeli innovation ecosystem. And I'm really happy that I'm here, and we will be able to do more. And here today, just congratulations. I'm really happy that we're going to have CodeBlue Canada in Montreal.
Thank you.
I'm happy to invite Mr. Refael Franco one more time to the stage with Alon Haimovich. Please welcome them.
Thank you, Alon. You are the boss. No, I'm not the boss. At least not anymore. So where is Yitzhak? So everything starts with Yitzhak Tzalaf. He's working at Microsoft. He's a CISO of Microsoft and a lot of others. So we met and we show Microsoft Israel what we are doing and what we are doing special from others and why we are unique. And after, I think, a long journey for more than 1 hour, Itzik, with heavy, let's say, due diligence and a lot of checks and goes and back. We are here to say that we are collaborating with Microsoft for crisis management solutions. So I'm so happy that you are here with us, Alon. Thank you.
So maybe just really briefly, I think we will speak about it in the panel as well, but I think as part of our culture around, you know, in Microsoft, from know it all to learn it all in this space of cybersecurity, and especially after October 7, what we have dealt with here in Israel just amplified for us how much we need to continue invest in partnership. And I have no doubt that this specific partnership will be a role model like we are doing so in so many other stuff here in Israel, together with CodeBlue. So I can just wait to see how bright the future will be together. So thank you for that.